Weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Well, good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Before you go to bed tonight, be sure to set your clocks an hour forward. We do spring forward tonight. Your sunrise was at 6:18 a.m. this morning. Your sunset later this evening, 5:56 p.m. That does change by an hour, 7:15 tomorrow. So yes, it's going to be a later sunrise. But here's the good news, it'll be a later sunset tomorrow. We're pushing 7 p.m. It's been a long time since we've seen a sunset that late, so that'll feel nice out there. And temperatures will be better tomorrow compared to today. We're right around freezing level, widespread lower to mid 30s. Most of us are in the lower 30s. Galena's a little bit cooler than that at 29. We're at 34 right now at the airport, 35 in Sycamore, 33 degrees in Freeport. But we will see temperatures climb very close to that 40-degree mark. I do think there's a good chance we make it to 41, 42 across the area, but it is going to be breezy. With that being said, we do have some sunshine, which is good news out there. Most of those skies cleared out very, very quickly, but Poplar Grove's wind gusts are already at 22 miles per hour. Harvard was at 5, now they're at 10, so winds all across the board are slowly starting to pick up. We are going to see that widespread about 25 to 30 miles per hour for gusts later this afternoon. You can see out of Freeport, flag moving pretty good out there already, and we have clear skies. So a lot of models yesterday were still putting a couple of scattered showers in and even light snow flurries. I don't think we're going to see that. For the most part, that's going to stay northeast of here, which will allow for the most part some sunshine to stick around. I do think as we head for the afternoon, we could see a couple of clouds increase here and there. Better chance north, but this could make its way a little bit south, and that would include kind of up near that state line in southern Wisconsin and then across northern Illinois. But temperatures more widespread tonight, 20s. We did see that across some of the area this morning. Mid 20s for most, a couple areas, upper 20s. That's our overnight low. And then tomorrow, I think will mostly be in the mid to upper 40s, so a little bit warmer than what this is showing. But as we get later into the next couple of days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, more specifically, that's when temperatures will rise. We'll be pushing the mid 60s already by Monday, and then Tuesday 67. So nearly 70 degrees, so we're going to be well above average again, but with that comes another chance of storms, highlighting Wednesday night into Thursday. So the first half of our week to most of it looks dry, but then we have to kind of watch Wednesday night to see how things develop, and then more specifically into Thursday. We are going to continue to see well above average temperatures. I think that'll take us through the first half of the month, so the first 2 weeks of March, but there could be a little flip-flop in temperatures. So you see these dark shades of red, especially on the East Coast for most in New York, Massachusetts, places like that, Rhode Island, Connecticut. That's well above average temperatures. Cooler air settles in across some states to our southwest, but I think that's going to shift a little further eastward. So you can see even these above average temperatures, it's more prominent for California, also the Pacific Northwest, but you can see that's not signaling a strong sign here across the area. So I don't think it's going to be nearly as warm. We're not going to have near record breaking warmth like we did just earlier, literally last Sunday and then into Monday, last weekend into early last week, but we are going to see a flip-flop in pattern at least somewhere near the state line. This could mean for us we're at least near normal, which at that point in time pushing the mid 40s. Lower 40s today, so technically we are just at the average for mid-March. 48 Sunday, we warm up, but then even Thursday and Friday this upcoming week, we are going to see temperatures above average, pushing 60 still by Thursday and then 55 by Friday. So, you know, we still got some warm temperatures, just gotta get through today, really.